moving away at an angle about a car length behind a parked car. That car's fully in the road, it's about the same width as I am. I need to show that I'm taking effective observations of anybody else that might be approaching me, getting into that 3 seconds or so space around me, and that I can coordinate my speed and my steering to go safely past the car, not allowing any part of my car to get closer than half a metre, I would say, from either corner of that car or the door mirror that sticks out on the driver's side, and also not letting my car get so far onto the other side of the road that I'm blocking anybody that's coming towards me. I will signal because I can't tell if anybody's in that car. Slow car, repeat checks, feels a comfortable distance, turn left, yeah, comfortable distance, get the wheel straight, and I'm past the car.